Hello to my friends, my name is Ali Ibrahimi. Welcome to CAAD. Today I want to modeling electrical box. It's simple, it has a fan cooling and a small board and has a fuse power jack. Okay, go to the Solidworks, create a new part. I want to start it with the base, the frame, here the sheet metal. Okay, I activate the SheetMetal tab if it's deactive in your program. You can right click and activate the SheetMetal tick. Go to the SheetMetal, select the base flange tab. It wants to choose a plan. I choose a right plan. Make this sketch. Select a line. It's for construction. Select the midpoint. Make a relation between this point and this point coincidence. Select this line and this line and this middle line construction symmetric. I added this line. Make a dimension it. The vertical element is 50. This short line is 80. Right click, make a relation between this line and this line equal. The width is 135. Okay, it's fully defined, but make this line and this point, or it's the horizontal again. This is horizontal. Okay, it's fully defined now. As a exit sketch, it wants you to choose a thickness. Thickness is the 1 millimeters, and about the distance, it's 155. Make a restriction. Select OK. Okay, you can right click, go to the material and change the material to SD37 or always it doesn't matter, or ASTM A36. I choose it. Okay. Select the edge flange, bend this line and the opposite side. It's the second option is the inner virtual sharp. I want to just, this is the smooth distance is 4 millimeters. And about the flange position, I want to select the material inside. Here we have another option. We have the trim side bends and offsets. Okay, I deactivate the offsets. Go to the relief type. I change the relief type. It's here. It's the rectangular here. I change it to a round. Okay, I want to make it by my own. It's not the default. The distance here is 0.5. I change it to 2 millimeters. And about the here set is the relief depth is 0.2. Okay. Here, select again, select the edge flange, this surface to up. Again, choose the distance to 8 millimeters. Here's the second option. We have the material outside because I want to make a distance from the back, and we have an offset is we have offset here is 0.3, like here. Custom bend allowance is a difficult, and the blow option is difficult. I don't change it. Select the OK, and here select another surface is this. Select OK. Here I want to make a sketch on this surface. Right click. You can create a sketch here. Normal to view. Select the rectangular. The dimension is 40 millimeters. It's the square. Press Ctrl, hold it. Again, this line and this line is equal. And from the bottom, again, from the body is 4 millimeters. And about the X belongs is 20, or you can change it to 5 millimeters to make it mirror. Go to the feature in a line pattern. We have the fill pattern. It's a good option. It's fun to select the fill boundary. I select the sketch, and we have the some of the shape and pattern. It's the polygon, but it's around the circle. We have the perforation. It's about the offset between each pattern, or if there is an angular, you can insert it. I select this line, or it doesn't matter, it's automatically select. Okay, I choose the offset between the pattern, it's 10. Here select the surface. Okay, again, I want to delete. Okay, it's automatically hold the surface with pattern. I want to make a shape polygon. It's a 10, and you can change it to 3, smaller. And about the circle, it can 3 is good. Okay. If some of the, for example, you want to some pattern that uh, if you want to delete some pattern, you can in an instance to escape, you can remove some of the pattern that you want. But here I want to all, select OK. Okay, see, it's for the wind cooling. Automatically we punch the it's for cooling inside the box. We punched the, so with this ways I want to create the forming tool under this inside the box for the setting the board. In our design library we have the forming tool here, and some folder in the lenses folder. There is a bridge lens, it's a setting for the board. I select one of the lenses. It should be reverse the direction, flip the tool, go to the position, make a position, sorry, from this line, again, it's 45. Exit. Okay, it's create. We have the 4 number of it because we on a board we have a 4 hole. Go to the pattern. Here make a direction about this direction. Go to the feature on a design tree, select the bridge lens. I just number 1 of it, instance is number 1, again number 1, and here I want 45. Okay, it's create again about this direction. I want to make this bridge and this pattern about 54 and click OK. Okay, our forming tool are created. Select one of the face, go to the sketch, make a hole for the board hole. The board hole is M3. The hole should be 2.3.2. Make a relation. Again. Okay, it's hard. If you can select it, select the mid line again for construction. Just make it a center of the circle and midpoint of these lines. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut, link to thickness. Okay, let's linear pattern to make a short time, avoiding to select the feature, cut extrude, reverse the direction. Again, linear pattern. The direction is this. About the Z axis is 44. Okay, here are going to fill the boundary from the front and back and top of the box with the sheet metal. Select the front plane, make a sketch, normal to view, and select the section view. Okay, here I want to sketch okay, make this line and this line 1 millimeters, this line and these points 0.5, this angle from this horizontal faces is a 45 degree, and about this line is 0.5. Okay, exit in the sheet metal, select the base flange. The thickness automatically is 1 millimeter. You can overwrite or edit it here. Okay, first exit the section view again. Select this sketch. It's bound to distance. Make a point to up to surface. Here from this surface and this surface. Select OK. Okay, make edit again. Up to surface and this surface direction 2 again this surface. Okay, look, it's automatically fill the front on top. It just mirror the half of the this bending sheet metal to make it fill all the box. And it has the offsets. Go to the feature and make a mirror. Select this face. Bodies to mirror, it's a body. Okay, but we have a split line. I want to remove it and make it merge. Again, the mirror. Here the option, you have the merge solids. Okay, it's just a one face, it's not a separated two. In top, select normal to view, make a sketch, create a circle in a center. It's the 120. Make a relation, center of the circle. The vertical. Okay, it's fully defined again. Make another circle. The second is 80. The third is 40. Make some lines. Okay, about the horizontal is a 45 degree. The next line is the same, 45. Exit, this is the for the vents uh, from the fan cooling in sheet metal there are option vents. The first is wound to boundary, it's automatically select. Here it's wound to spar and rib. Okay, selected this spar. Or you can change the thickness from the 5 to 6 to 7. For example, step 10. Select OK. I want to invisible the sketch. Invisible height. Okay. Our box almost is finished. I just insert in assembly and insert the fan and power jack fuse and a board to complete our sheet metal box. Okay, I want to make a new assembly. Control N. Go to the assembly and run all parts we needed. The first is the frame box. Right click on the box and floats. It can moving around, but I want to fix it. It's the short time to fix, but the best way you should make a relation between the our practice plane and the main assembly plane. Front plane, make a relation with the front plane, top plane and the top plane, right plane and right plane. All the mate are coincidence. Okay, look, it's fixed. It doesn't need to right click and make a fix. It's temporary. It's not the always. I want to insert the fan. I want to insert the fan. Change the direction about the x axis. again and again. Okay. Make a relation between the surface from, okay, let's show you in a mate. Make this face, and okay, I want to section this face and this face. Okay, make a relation between the fan and the box. I exit from the okay, make a mate between the fan and the box. Exit the section view. Mate from the practice is the box from the front plane, and between our fan cool front plane, but it's yes. Again about the right plane from the fan and right plane, or it's not the right plane, it's the okay, you should to make a relation distance, or look, it's moving about the x-axis, going to box part, open it, part I want to make a plane, mid plane from this face and this face. Okay, exit, save it in assembly, rebuild it. Okay, again make a mate between the new plane and the fan, the right plane. Okay, it's exactly ox to ox, have a mate, it's concentric. Okay, it's fixed. Another part I want to insert it, it's our fuse switching power jack. It depends on you, it doesn't matter from this side, you can put it off the opposite sides. But the first I want to change the direction, and about the Y. Okay. Again make it a section from reverse it, make a coincidence mate between this surface and the inner surface of the electrical, and make a mate from the top of the power jack and top of the box, the distance, and make it 12. Okay, or 8. Exit from the section view. Okay, let's make it from the z-axis, this surface and this face. About the distance It's there 5. Okay. I want to make a hole from our 3 connector. Sketch it. Okay, save assembly 1. Make a new sketch from this face. Use the convert entities, or if they can it can recognize. Sketch it, zoom it. Okay, moving line inner, forward and backward. It's turn it to arc. Look. Again. Again. Okay, until the pattern. We should continue. Okay, it's finished. Go to the feature and cut extrude. Extruded link to thickness. Exit from the edit feature. Okay. It's can moving, it's fixed, it's have a relation. The third part is the board. I want to hide. Okay, let's hide from the design tree. Okay, hide the fan. Make a section view. Insert the components board. Okay, it's hide for the section view. Click on it. Insert it. Exit the section view. This is our board. Make a relation from this face. It should sitting on this face. And make a relation these holes and our forming tool. Oh. This hole. Okay, the hole, it doesn't seem it should be concentric. Make it this face and this face should the 0, it should be parallel or 0 degree. Okay, I should edit it. The hole in box. Okay, go to the cut extrude. It's our cut extrude. Okay, delete. Yes. Make it 3.2 diameter. Okay, exit. Again, it's error for the mate. Here, you go to the edit sketch again, make 4 holes, prevent from to make a pattern. Make a relation between this hole and this hole. Again, this hole and this hole equal. Okay, exit. Exit from the edit sketch. All holes are created. They are all is concentric. Make them 8 from the board. Okay, it's want to make a type of the mate. It's a concentric. And the fourths all are concentric. Our boards are sitting on its place. Let's make a mate. Exit from the section view to unhide the fan. Okay. Our project are finished. If you have a logo or if you have a brand, you can make a decal on this face or any face you want. Right click, add a decal. For example, I want to drop it here. You can resize it or any picture, any image if you want. Okay, this is the shadow. You can remove it from to prevent a shadow on the opposite side. This is our electrical sheet metal box in Solidworks. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel if you like it and share it to your Solidworks guys. Thank you very much. Till next project.